Is being an electrician in Guinea well paid? On average, an electrician in Guinea earns around 2,900 US dollars a year. That is the average electrician's salary in Guinea before tax, but after tax, it drops to $2,500. This means your take-home pay is roughly $208 a month, which leaves a tight budget for living expenses. You will find that electrician wages are higher in big cities, so a worker in Conakry brings home $2,900 after tax. While that is noticeably more than in rural regions, the high cost of living in the capital quickly eats up the difference. On top of that, your income grows as you gain experience, which is why an entry-level electrician income stays well below the average pay until skills improve. Pay rises quickly in the first few years, but it plateaus if you do not step up into supervision. Having a university degree also creates a clear pay gap, though the role does not require one locally. That extra education helps you move into higher roles, like electrical supervisor or chief engineer, where international companies pay substantially higher rates than small local firms. If you want to know how much does an electrician make in Guinea, these details show how experience and location change your earnings.